March 21st, 2021. This is the RS3 through a 150-foot 3/4 inch hose with 150 pounds at the tank. So obviously it runs at very low pressure because when I turn the valve off, the pressure in the hose drops and it continues to sound for quite a while. So I'm going to go turn it the other way. Okay, here we go, turn the other way. Okay, so that is a super efficient horn. March 21st, 2021. This is an SM48, 150 pounds of tank pressure, 150 foot hose, 3/4 inch in diameter. March 21st, 2021. This is my 1964 S5 with tabbed power chambers, aluminum. This time it's on a box. I've been told that setting it on the ground interferes with the operation of the trumpets that are touching the ground, and I believe it. Not too shabby if you want my honest opinion.